Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying basics that impact drivers: battery, cable, and connection type. Once done, plug the controller into a different USB port and try a wired connection so Windows can detect hardware directly. Open Device Manager and scan for yellow warnings or unknown devices. This tells you whether the problem is driver recognition versus hardware. Make sure to switch ports and note any device names shown, because that guides the next targeted driver update or reinstall step. Now you'll update or reinstall the driver to resolve conflicts. If Device Manager shows the controller, right-click it and select Update Driver, then search automatically. Windows may fetch the correct INF. If that fails, uninstall the device entry and restart. Windows often reinstalls a clean driver at boot. For persistent issues, install the Xbox Accessories app or download the Microsoft driver manually and run it. This ensures compatible firmware and fixes mismatched vendor ID. Finish by validating functionality. Open Xbox Accessories and the Windows Game Controllers panel to confirm inputs and firmware status. Once done, run Windows Update including optional driver updates so dependent components align. If it still fails, test the controller on another PC to isolate hardware faults. Make sure to clean USB contacts and try another cable. One key troubleshooting tip: if Windows installs a generic HID driver, manually replace it with the Microsoft Xbox driver. That often restores full button mapping and vibration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.